Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to decorate a cake to look like a dragon's egg. Kind of like Game of Thrones style. So it's a really time consuming thing, but it's really simple. So basically you're going to start off by baking your cake. If you've got an egg shaped pan, that's perfect. If not, a rectangle one will do, and just cut it into like the egg shape. And you're basically going to start off how you decorate any cake. So you fill it, put the top layer on, and then we're just going to grab a knife and curve off the edges. I'm going to cover it in buttercream. Just spread that out. Like I say, this first bit is just like any other cake. Then you're going to take some fondant icing, roll that out. You want it really thin. And we're just going to place this over the cake. So like I say, all this, if you've made a cake before, is just how you would do a normal plain cake. Okay, so then once you put the fondant on top, you smooth it out and cut off any excess. And then this is what it looks like, and then this is where we now start to turn it into an actual dragon's egg. So you're going to cut out some circles of fondant. You want different sizes. To start off with, just use a small one. And we're going to use the same circle cutter and basically cut it in half again. So you're creating a leaf shape. If you've got a leaf cookie cutter, that's great, just use that. But if you don't, just use a circle one, and then use the circle one again to overlap to make a leaf shape. Then we're going to take these leaf shapes and we're going to make an arch shape at the bottom of the egg. So right at the bottom, I'm going to make an arch of these. You just stick them on with water. You just have to put a small drop of water on the back of them, and they stick on to the other layer of fondant. Then you take more of them and just overlap them like halfway, and keep doing this to cover the whole egg. And the further up you get, you want them to get slightly bigger. So now I'm just going to take some silver shimmer spray, and it's done, it's finished. That's all you have to do. It does take a long time, but it's a really simple and effective way to make the dragon egg. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!